Question number 3, what are the solutions of the quadratic equation 4x squared minus 8x minus 12 equals 0? If you have this question on the calculator part, you can use your calculator direct with mode 5.3. If we use the calculator in mode 5.3, we get the answer directly. How can we use the calculator in mode 5.3? Just you enter the number 4 and then negative 8 and then negative 12. You enter the number 4, the coefficient 4, and then negative 8 and then negative 12. And then if you press equal, you will get the first answer, x1. Press equal again, you will get the second answer, x2. This is in case if you have the calculator. But if we need to solve without calculator, in this case, you need to factor. How can we use factoring in this equation? Of course, if we use the factoring with 4 and 8 and 12, this is complex or complicated numbers. The first step, you need to look at the equation. If you can simplify the equation, I have the equation now, 4x squared minus 8x minus 12 equals 0. Don't make factoring like this direct, and maybe you try 4x times x, or maybe x times 4x, or maybe 2x times 2x. It will be complicated like this. But if you can see now, if we divide all the terms by 4, and if you divide by 4, divide this term by 4, and this one by 4, and this one by 4, and the right side also by 4, you will get 4x squared divide 4, it will be x squared. And negative 8x divide 4, negative 2x, and negative 3 equals 0 over 4, 0. Now we are dealing with this simple equation now. It's more simple. So now we can make our factoring now. We put two parentheses like this, equals 0. Now this is x times x, and the negative 3 means negative 3 times 1. Of course, negative 3 means if you multiply negative 3 times positive 1, it will be negative 3. And the greater number will be like the middle term, negative. And of course, you can check also your answer by another way. If you multiply negative 3 times x, you will get negative 3x. And if you multiply x times 1, it will 1x. If you add together negative 3x plus 1x, it will be negative 2x, like the middle term, so your answer is correct. So now we have x minus 3, x plus 1 equals 0. The first one equals 0, negative 3 equals 0. So your answer will be x equals 3. This is our first answer. Or the second bracket equals 0, x plus 1 equals 0. So x equal negative 1. So now we have two answers, x equals 3 or x equal negative 1. And you can see your answer in this question will be answer B.